Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Alright, how's it going? This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you yet again with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today, we are going to open this box here, which contains the last of the Sau Tao reviews for the series. However, there's a lot more to do. They sent me a pallet. A freaking pallet of noodles, and they've got so many SKUs it's not even funny. It's their hot and sour flavor ramen. So yeah, we're gonna give that a go. What is it, 2 minutes, 4 minutes? I think it's 2. We'll split the difference. It's 3 minutes. So we take a bundle of straight noodle. See, like so. You drop it in the water, 600 mils. And let it go for 3 minutes. And then we got a powder. Black vinegar and a seasoning. So it's hot and sour, right? Well, the sour comes from black vinegar. Now, a lot of the time, if you go to like a Western Chinese restaurant and you get the hot and sour soup, it's so far removed from something like this. Black vinegar usually, it's not often you see it even shown as a condiment on the table. I like it to a degree. Too much, but yeah, we'll see how this. Whoa! Whoa out there! Whoa! Whoa. Last ticket. I only have one of my beverages left, too. I need to go to the beverage store and get more beverages. Kind of sucks, though. It's like I got on the scale. It said I had gained 10 pounds. Mind you, I was eating a lot of cake and pizza. Cake and pizza are off the table now. That'll probably take care of it, honestly, but I'm trying to go back to the way I was eating when I very first started the diet. Then again, it's not going to go as quickly as it did then because I started at 365 and right now I'm at 217, so. But, yeah, I just like, it was just like when I saw it went up, I'm like, no! So, that won't be allowed to continue. But, I just rekindled the new enjoyment of, I now can, I like IPA. IPA is pretty good. Then I found a really good Imperial Stout beer that I really enjoy. No Lie Wrecking Ball. That stuff's nice and chewy. Good, dark, stouty beer. But stout beers and pizza and chocolate cake, yeah, no. I'll tell you one thing, though. I used to be able to whack back a 12-pack of, like, Busch Light Tall Boys, you know, back in the day. One of those things, I'd be on my lips. I am a cheap date now, wow. Real cheap. Yeah. It's like the other night I had 3 beers. I was thinking like, whoa. I feel like I must have gotten I got a real buzz. How many beers did I drink last night? I look at it. I had 3. Whoa. The nice thing about being like that though is no hangover. I used to drink way too much and I used to get hangovers all the time. And I used to feel the need to drink like every day. The whole corona thing, yeah, it's gotten me, there's been a death in the family, all this stuff. It's just gotten me kind of like, yeah, just give me a few beers and some pizza, let me wallow. But can't do that anymore. But yeah. Let's do this. I will admit, the last one that I made, I did eat some of that. That was good stuff. Sucks though. It's like I did some apartment laps today. I think if I do some more, I might break 20,000 for the day. Whereas it's like if I go on my FitnessPal or on my Fitbit app and look at the stats, it'll say for the last year my average daily is like 20 some odd thousand steps per day. It's like, oh, I'm not making that easily lately. However, last week, before my wife got her job back, I was going out with Mimi every day and walking and getting like over 30,000 steps in per day. That was good. And they're good outdoor steps. Indoor apartment laps, they're not the same. They're not worth as much. They count, but they're just not the same thing. There's somebody who's competing with me right now, and I believe all that lady does are indoor. She does like, what do you call it? Running in place. She's like, okay, that's cool, but it's not the same. Music. Bowl. Put it back a little bit. I want this centered. This is the last one. I'm not going to do a whole heck of a lot to it, but there you go. And I need to give it a try. I swear, it's one of those days. That's okay, though. Those days do exist, and they exist for a reason. And that reason being, man, it's just one of those days. Which is just fine. Gotta have one every once in a while. There you go. And that is the end of the Sau Tao Meet the Manufacturer. I want to thank everybody for watching. It's been a real treat. And like I said, there's so much more product that I've got that, this is not the end of what you're going to see of their stuff. Potato! Alright, well, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.